Good morning, class 3. Are you all excited to learn something new today? Yes, you all are excited to learn something new. So observe me carefully. What is this, class? Yes, this is a slice of bread. Observe now what I do to it. Yes, I divided the slice of bread into two halves. Identify the next object. Yes, you're right. This is a biscuit. Now observe what I do to it. What did I do to it? Yes, I divided it into two pieces. So what did you learn? Yes, I divided two objects into equal parts. Today we are going to learn a little more about dividing objects from a whole in our maths lesson, Fractions. Children, today I am going to tell you a story. So listen to me carefully. Mimi was a cute little squirrel. She loved to play around trees. One day, Mimi was very hungry. She looked for food everywhere. Finally, she found a watermelon. She said to herself, "Oh wow! I am so hungry and I found a watermelon. I am going to eat it." Just then, she sees her friend Vicky coming from the road. Mimi greets Vicky. "Hi Vicky, how are you?" Vicky replies, "I am good, Mimi." Mimi tells Vicky, "See what I found. I found a big watermelon." Vicky tells Mimi, "Oh, I'm hungry too. Can you share some watermelon with me?" Mimi is a generous squirrel. She tells Vicky, "Yes, why not? I would love to share the watermelon with you." So Mimi shares the watermelon with Vicky. They both eat the watermelon and are very happy. Mimi shares half the watermelon with Vicky. Vicky and Mimi eat the watermelon. So children, did you like the story? Yes, I'm sure you liked the story. How many halves did Mimi make of the watermelon? Yes, Mimi made 2 halves of a full watermelon. A fraction is a part of a whole. How many parts did Mimi get? Yes, she got 1 half of the watermelon. Children, how do we write a fraction? Children, we write a fraction in this form. Can you all see? The lower number is called the denominator. The denominator is the total number of parts, while the upper part is called the numerator. The numerator is the number of parts we are talking about. Here, Mimi shared 1 part of the watermelon with Vicky from the 2 parts that she already had. Children, I asked you to get some strips of paper of equal length. So we are going to take these strips and learn more about fractions. Here I have one whole strip of paper. This entire strip makes one whole. This is called one whole. Now children, I would like you to divide and fold the strip into two equal parts. So here you have one part and you have two parts. This is 1 and this is 2. Children, we will color one part of these two parts. So now, if we have to write this in the form of fractions, how will we write? We have two parts. We have colored one part. This is how you will write 1 upon 2, or this is called half. We all love to eat pies. Here are some pies. I have divided the first pie into two parts. These are called halves. So I have one half and two halves. How many halves make a whole? Yes, two halves make a whole. Here I have divided one whole pie into three parts. These are also called thirds. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. How many thirds make up a whole? Yes, 3/3 make up a whole. Here I have divided one whole pie into 6 pieces or 6 parts. Let's count together. 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6 and 6 6. So children, how many 6 make up a whole? Yes, 6 6 make up a whole. What if I take one part away from the thirds? How would you write this as a fraction? We have 3 parts. Now we took one part. So the total number of parts is 3 and we have taken one part. Very good children. Now let's try this with the second pie. If we take 2 parts from the 6 parts, how many remain? 1, 2, 3, 4. How will you write this as a fraction? We have 6 parts in all and we have taken 2 parts. So 6 is the total number of parts and 2 is the number of parts we have taken. If we do the same with the halves pie, what if I take 1/2? How will you write this in the form of a fraction? The total number of parts is 2 and we have taken 1 part. This can also be read as half. Children, now we'll do an exercise in fractions. Can you tell me the total number of balls? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Which ball is different? Yes, you are right. The first ball is different. It is a basketball. How will you write this as a fraction? Yes, The total number of balls is 4. And the ball which is different is 1. We'll see the next picture. Count the number of cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which cat is different? Yes, the last cat is different. It is brown in color. If we had to write this in the form of fractions, how would you write? The total number of cats is 4. Now tell me, how many cats are yellow in color? Yes, you are right. 1, 2, 3. 3 cats are yellow in color. So we will write the number 3 in the numerator. Count the number of wheels in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 strokes in a circle. How many are colored? Yes, you are right. 3 wheels are colored. How will you write this in the form of fractions? Yes, children, very good. The total number of strokes are 6. The number of colored strokes or colored triangles are 3. So the fraction is 3 upon 6, where 6 is the total number of triangles or strokes and 3 is the number of strokes colored. Children, what value did we learn from this lesson? Yes, we learned the value of sharing, because sharing is caring. So children, today we learned about fractions in our maths lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson as much as I enjoyed teaching you. Have a good day, good afternoon, and thank you, children.